Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Active hydrogen atoms, those bonded to electronegative atoms like O, N, S, react with Grignard reagents, RMGX, to produce 1 mole of alkane per active hydrogen. The reaction is RO plus CH3 NGI-CH4 plus RONG. Moving on to the next step. Find moles of compound. Molecular formula C3H8O3, megawatt is equal to 3, 12, plus 8, 1, plus 3, 16, is equal to 36 plus 8 plus 48 equals 92 G mol. Moles of compound is equal to 0.09 to G. 92 G mol is equal to 0.001 moles. Moving on to the next step. Find moles of CH4 produced. At STP, 1 mole of gas occupies 22,400 ml. Moles of CH4 is equal to 67.00 ml. 22,400 ml mol is equal to 0.00291 moles, almost equals 0.003 moles. And for the final step, determine number of active hydrogens per molecule. Number of active H per molecule is equal to moles of CH4. Moles of compound is equal to 0.003/0.001 is equal to 3. Verify with structure. C3H8O3 with 3 active hydrogens, 3 OH groups, corresponds to glycerol, propane 1, 2, 3, triol, HOCH2CH, OH, CH2O, which indeed has 3 hydroxyl groups, each contributing 1 active hydrogen. Why other options fail? A. 1 and B. 2 would give only 22.4 ml or 44.8 ml of CH4, not 67 ml. D. 4 would give 89.6 ml of CH4, not 67 ml. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.